Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Red color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, purple color, green color, blue color, brown color, dark green color, black color. Now let's learn some alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ink. J for juice. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye kids. See you soon in next video.